Choosing the right estate planning attorney is one of the most important decisions that you're going to make, because this is the law firm and the attorneys that are going to be there for your family when you cannot. This isn't just about legal documents. It's about protecting your family, your assets, and your future. And if you make the wrong choice, it could cost your loved ones dearly in the end. So how do you make sure you're choosing the right attorney? We've put together a free resource that breaks down the 5 most critical factors you need to consider before hiring an estate planning attorney. But let me walk you through them right now. Number 1, not all attorneys are created equal. Many attorneys offer estate planning just as a side service, but you need someone who lives and breathes this area of law. You wouldn't go to a general doctor for brain surgery, so why would you trust your family and your assets to someone who doesn't focus exclusively on estate planning? If you go on an attorney's website and they do real estate and bankruptcy and foreclosure, well, that's a big red flag. I know that estate planning on its face seems a little bit straightforward, right? But this is one of the most nuanced areas of laws that there are, and that is because it also touches on issues of asset protection, tax while you're alive and tax after you're gone, titling of assets like real estate in your business. And there's no way that somebody is a generalist is going to know how to deal with all of this in your planning. Number 2, the right attorney will look at the big picture. Estate planning isn't about just signing a will or signing a trust. It's about making sure that your whole financial and personal situation is structured properly. You need an attorney who doesn't just check boxes, but truly understands your goals and builds a plan around them. The best estate planning attorneys don't just hand you a stack of papers and send you on your way. They educate you and empower you and make sure you understand every decision that you're making. If an attorney isn't taking the time to guide you through this process, they aren't truly serving you. Number 3, transparent pricing. For planning, if an attorney can't clearly explain their pricing structure up front, that's a red flag. You should know exactly what you're getting and for how much. Beware of firms that lure you in with an initial really low price, only to leave your plan incomplete. Make sure you're comparing apples to apples. Ask for what are all the deliverables and is funding included. Estate planning is an investment, and you deserve to know everything you're getting before you commit. Number 4, you need a relationship that lasts beyond the initial plan. Estate planning isn't a one and done deal. This is not the rotisserie machine. You cannot set it and forget it. Your life changes, your assets change, and the law changes. You need an attorney who stays connected with you, reviews your plans regularly, and keeps up with the law to ensure that your plan evolves with your needs. If an attorney isn't talking about a long-term relationship with you, they're probably not the right fit. Number 5, can they handle all aspects of planning and administration? Yes, our job is to educate you and put a plan in place now and throughout your life. But the other part of this is to be there for your family when you're gone. We can handle both the planning and the administration process and can assist your executor with anything that they need, including potentially the tax returns. This is the benefit of hiring a boutique firm that only specializes in trust and estate. If you don't take these 5 factors into account, you could end up with an estate plan that's outdated, ineffective, or worse, one that leaves your family dealing with legal headaches when you're no longer around to fix them. Choose wisely. And at a minimum, download our free guide to learn more. And if you're ready to work with a firm that gets it from the start, we're here to help.